Shapes can be the same, but just upside down and all around. Look at these triangles closely. Are they the same? Yes, they are! There are also lots of triangles that can be different sizes. Look, these are all triangles because they have 3 sides, but they look very different. And these are all rectangles because they have 4 sides and 4 corners. Shapes are so neat.
Tap all the triangles. You tapped the triangles. Tap the rectangles. You tapped the rectangles. They all have 4 sides and 4 corners. Tap all the circles. Awesome! You found the circles. Tap 2 squares. Great job! You tapped the squares. Shapes can come in all different sizes and colors.